What are coping skills and how can I learn them? Hi, I'm Dr. Sandra. Welcome to Embrace Now's YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe below for more tips and tricks on coping with daily stress and anxiety. Today, we're going to be talking a bit about coping skills. So what are coping skills? Coping skills are strategies or things that we can implement to help minimize the distress associated with unhelpful or negative emotions, thoughts, behaviors, experiences. So coping skills can't get rid of stress, anxiety, depression, painful feelings, thoughts, emotions, but they can help us cope through them to get to the other side of these experiences, to feel like, you know what, these upsetting and difficult experiences and feelings and thoughts might come my way, but I have a toolbox of things I can do to cope with whatever comes my way. That's what coping skills are. So how do we learn them? We can learn them in a bunch of different ways. Probably our best way to learn coping strategies that are individualized to us and our needs and what we're going through is individual therapy with a licensed mental health professional. Other ways to learn some coping strategies is through online courses or resources. We have a bunch of online courses and resources through our online learning community at Embrace Now. So check out the link in our YouTube profile to learn more about that. How do we know what to learn or what will work? That's a lot of trial and error. So there's no coping strategies that are a definite, this will work for you. It's completely kind of something that we have to give some a try and see if we notice they help. Maybe different ones help us for different things. Maybe we find some don't help at all. Maybe we find some really help and they become our go-to strategy. It takes trial and error and it takes repetition and practice. Really making a commitment to yourself as you're learning these strategies to give them your best shot. Give them a try and see what happens. So that's kind of how you can figure out which are helpful. And let's say you give a mindfulness strategy a try and it feels really helpful. That might then guide you that mindfulness is helpful for me. Can I try other mindfulness ideas? Maybe you notice that challenging, anxious thoughts, doing some cognitive coping is really helpful for you. That's a good pivot to think, okay, let me learn more about cognitive coping. Let me see if I can learn other ideas or ways to work on my anxious thoughts. So that's a bit about how we might find them or how we might know what works for us. Some ideas, this is very broad. Again, always consult with a licensed mental health professional before giving any coping strategies a try that you find online or in this video, because this is online. Some ideas are, like I said, mindfulness practices, questions, asking yourself, are there any alternative perspectives to this thought I'm experiencing? Asking yourself, what would I say to a close friend right now that was experiencing this feeling or thought? Incorporating activities that you find pleasurable into your daily life. Incorporating activities that you get a sense of achievement through into your daily routine. Moving your body. Fueling your body with foods that make you feel good, giving yourself positive affirmations or mantras, spending time engaging with people and things that mean the most to you. Those are kind of just a quick list of some common, healthy, productive coping strategies.